Today we're gonna get to Nazi. Wait, guys, just a minute. Wait. Finally, they're so calm. I can join now with you guys. My God, wait. I'm not forgetting something. Hi guys, I was done drawing. Okay, let's go drawing. With some videos. No, what did I do to clown? Oh no, what? No, then I do. Wow, nice drawing. Nice drawing, girl. Oh my God, what's happening? Okay.
Let's go. You know what? No, we are not gambling. We're done gambling, dude. This is it.
Chelsea?
Let's go. You know what? No, we are not gambling.
I know. Can everybody please stop? Can everybody please stop talking? Guys, you know I'm doing something and my mom's friends can't stop talking. I mean, don't mind it. Typically, I know. Fun time, what I mean, fun time. I love you, what do you mean? Go to Kitty, what? Hello, evil Hello Kitty. Meow, Juggler. Deep sleep. Okay, first, what's that? Okay, and yes, I am Uzi again. Hello guys, I'm here. Okay, I'm gonna show you a web. They won't stop talking. I mean, don't care about it. So, guys, I will just... Don't mind that. This is just my perfect game. I only play this game because it's so fun to see. Maybe I'm missing something. Oh my God. Okay, sabi.
Simple so pinuntahan natin dito sa may Tapas Capiz. At ayan, tingnan nyo kung gano'n ang kaganda. Yung makikita nyo dito, matatanaw nyo naman dito, kita-kita nyo naman sa camera na yung langit at yung ulang ay dito sa mismo
Okay, dito ako. Oh no, dito pala.
Kita-kita nyo naman pagbungad pa lang natin dito ay meron ang wala. Nasasabi, bawal maligo, bawal mangiwit na kung wala akong paalam. At marami na daw nalunod dito sa mismo ulit na ito. Dito sa natin siya. Sa mga cottages tayong nakita kung saan pwede yung gulin, pwede yung mabaon. Hindi ko lang sigurado kung may bayan, yung entrance doon. Pero dito lang mga tayo. Dahil nakatanaw tayo nakalutang dun sa ibabaw ng bansa na isang pugo.
Pangalawa na yun.
natural mo.
Ito na po yung kape.
Kuya, yung ganang kape.
Ito, pinagaya ka ba?
Okay, I will show the camera. Oh no, wait, did I just move the camera? Hello guys. Oh, I will show you my lolo. Joke lang. Uncle. Joke lang. Joke lang. These are my cousins. These are my mom's friends. They can't stop talking. Vlogs. Okay. I'm just going up with my mom. Just wait. Hola, amigo, mama. Hola, amigo, mama. Mama, bakit makuha yan? Okay. So guys, I will show the camera. Okay guys, I'm down here. And they are here. I can see them. I will just go down and talk to them. Mama! 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 Nag-vlog ako. Mama! 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 Vlog ako. Hi guys! Dito ako dyan. Ang noisy naman. Ayaw magtahimik. Hey, ayaw lang tahimik. Tapos, okay, that's all. Bye.